welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I do appreciate you guys being here. It means so much to me. If you are new, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And as always, please do give the video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. So as you can see from the description below, today we are going to be unboxing the June 2019 BULLYMAKE box. This is a subscription for your dogs, which is awesome. I have two pups. If you've caught any of my live streams, you know Oscar and Otis. Oscar is a 5-year-old. Yes, 5-year-old. I don't think about it. 5-year-old Dachshund, and Otis is a 4-year-old English Bulldog. So they give me a run for their money, or my money. And you guys know, like I said, if you've caught any live streams, they are both very entertaining. So, BULLYMAKE. What is BULLYMAKE? BULLYMAKE, like I said, is a monthly subscription for your doggies. It's for power chewers. It is $39 a month. Now, they do offer lower prices if you go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, 9, 12 months. You can get it as low as $31 a month. They do have free shipping. You receive 5 to 6 premium items in every box, 2 to 3 toys, and then 3 to 4 treat items. And I do really like, you can go in, you set in like your dog's weight, any type of allergy that they may have as far as like for treats, and then you can select toy preferences. When you place your first order, it ships the next day. After that, it will renew every 30 days from the date that you signed up. And if I did not mention this, they do have free shipping, which is awesome. So I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for BULLYMAKE and get your doggies some good treats and toys. Now, what I really like about BULLYMAKE too is that there's usually always a theme. So I'm excited to see what June has. So let's open this up and see. All right. So the June BULLYMAKE box. I'm seeing dinosaurs. Featured products. So then, okay, so it's gonna go over here. Looks like some toys. I like that, and it does include pricing. But this is what we see here. And what I really like, so it says it's for power chewers. Well, if you look and you see here at the tissue paper, obviously there is an English Bulldog, Otis. But then right there is a Dachshund, Oscar. All right, so when we pull it back, this is what we see. So I see some treats, and I do see a toy underneath. So we have 2 toys. So let's start with this first toy right here. This is the dino egg. So we are in like a dinosaur theme. This is an $18 value. We can't guarantee a dinosaur won't hatch from this egg, but we can guarantee it will stand up to the hardiest chewing. Fill it with treats or throw it around and keep your dog entertained for hours. Made from rugged rubber right here in the USA. So that's always awesome. I love when you can actually put treats inside, so it kind of really gets them going. Oscar loves toys. Otis, he not so much. Like, he really is probably only worried about these treats that are in this box. He could care less about the toys, honestly. Oscar will enjoy both. So, a dino egg that we can put treats in. And then the other toy, so we got 2 toys this month, is a dino bone. It's like wrapped up like this. Ooh. And this is also valued. This is also valued at $18. It's a nylon toy. So this is what it looks like, and on this side it says a BULLYMAKE right there. So that definitely is, that will withstand some chewing. Here is a toy millions of years in the making, ready to be chewed instead of locked away in a natural history museum. Made from sterling nylon, it has survived asteroids and ice ages and was excavated from deep below the earth right here in the USA. Our first toy infused with actual bacon bits. Your dog will love it. That's probably why it was sealed. I'm like smelling it. That's interesting. And if you look at it, you can kind of see little flecks of stuff. Maybe Otis will get interested in a toy. All right, so now for our treats. It looked like we had 3 bags of treats, which they are going to be very happy about. My dad likes to come down here because I live in the same neighborhood as my parents, and Pop is very generous with the treats when it comes to Oscar and Otis. He loves to spoil them. So, I'm all about getting more treats. All right, so here we have the BULLYMAKE Tenders, healthy dog treats. This is one thing I really like about them with their treats. Their treats are healthy. Like this has chicken, vegetable glycerin, rosemary extract. It tells you about like the protein, the fiber, fat, calories, things like that. So these look like, I have that upside down. Do I? No, I had it right. The dog's upside down. So it's like some beef strips or something. So, or chicken. So they will definitely love these. I know that for sure. And then we have BULLYMAKE Fresh Raindrops Healthy Dog Treats. What is this? That's what it looks like. Potato, coconut oil, yogurt, palm oil, skim milk, peppermint. Maybe it'll make their breath not so stinky. Maybe that's what it is. Fresh raindrops. It's like a breath mint treat. That's what I'm gathering. So awesome. And then we have the BULLYMAKE Cloud Bites. Now I believe I got these before in a box that I reviewed for them. And again, this is a healthy dog treat. This doesn't say flavor-wise. I don't know. But I know that any treats that I have gotten from BULLYMAKE before, Oscar and Otis have both loved. So I do want to say thank you to BULLYMAKE for sending this to me for review. I do greatly appreciate it. I do like to let you guys know when products are sent to me for review. But either way, I'm going to give you my honest opinion on anything, whether it is sent to me or not. So I definitely think that this is a wonderful subscription for your dogs. You get healthy treats. You get toys that will withstand power chewers. So if you have a power chewer dog, this is definitely a subscription to consider. And like I said, it is $39 a month with free shipping. However, if you go ahead and you prepay, you can get the price down to as low as $31 a month, which sometimes you can spend that on treats alone, not to mention toys. So, that is the BULLYMAKE for June 2019. Like I said, I will put a link down below, so definitely head over and check them out. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you have not already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. We have all kinds of great fun here, tons of unboxings of all kinds, live streams, giveaways, just all kinds of random fun stuff. So I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.